Hey, Tony here from Visibility Academy. Today we're going to look at how to turn your dumb website into a smart website. Now, who the hell am I to call your website dumb? Let's break that down first off. Well, first off, most websites nowadays are just brochures that have information, and maybe they can place an order or book an appointment, which is very good. But let's take it up another notch. What I'm talking about is adding in AI to your website so that people can get the answers they want immediately. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Like here on Peninsula Landscapes, they can just click on it. They can type, "Hi, I am testing this out," and before they get to talk to it, you can have it so it asks for name and email and things like that, and it can just take the message, it can respond and all that sort of thing. Now, that's how that works, and it'll respond in a second. There we go. Look, it's responding. We made it look natural where it's going to respond, and it's going to say like, "Oh, hi, well, thanks for testing our service. May I have your name so I can update your record," and all that sort of thing. So that's one element of smart, but we do have another element of smart, and that is where we're going to drop in the voice chat, and we're going to do that on this page right now. So it's very simple. Over here in Visibility Systems, over on the left, I'm going to click AI Agents, and we're going to use Voice AI, and that's the important one for us. So Voice AI up here at the top, we're going to hit that, and what we've already done is we've already set up a voice agent so that when people call a specific number, it's going to answer and have a conversation with them. But what if they don't phone up? Okay, now what that is, if before I gloss over it, what that is like an AI receptionist. So you can forward all your calls to it. You can have it so it just takes it if you miss so many calls, or set it up like this so they can talk on your website. But we're going to have it do both. So we're going to go over here and we're going to go to site. So we've already set up this AI agent. We've trained it. We've given it a knowledge base. It's dead easy. We say, go read this stuff. And here's kind of everything you need to know. It's dead easy, dead quick. And we're going to go chat widget over here. We're going to hit chat widget. We're going to do voice AI. Over here, we're going to give it a name. So we're going to give it a website voice chat name, and we're going to do some customization. So we're going to say styles. And we can see kind of what it looks like over there, but we're going to do embedded / inline. This is what it's going to look like here on their page. We can change the icon. We can change what it says. We can even change the colors. So I'm going to do widget customization, and we're going to, let's have a look here. We're going to leave it as that. We're going to leave the little lady with the face. You can change that if you want. And let's do chat window, title and intro. Live. So voice chat here. You can just put voice chat. There we go. Additional options. We're going to turn off the agency branding so it just floats there nicely in the middle of the page. You can absolutely leave that on for us if you want. Definitely helps me out with backlinks and whatnot. And then we're saying, it says which agent do you want to use, and we're just saying the JC because that's the one that we chose. And we're going to hit save. And if you've got a WordPress website, now you can add this to any website. It doesn't have to be one built inside Visibility Systems. So you can click get it for WordPress, or you can hit get code. And I'm going to hit copy that. And I'm going to go to their website now. So I've copied that. I'm going to go edit their homepage or the page that we want it to be on. And so let's do that now. And over here, we are going to drop it in. I think we're going to drop it in here. So let me just dump in another little box here. And we're going to go for the code box. You can see all the different elements that you can add to a page, but we're going to have code. I'm just going to drag that over there. And I'm going to get that box, and I'm going to do the massive effort of pasting this stuff and hitting save. Whew. I need to lie down after that. So that's where that goes at the bottom. I'm going to publish that, and we can just go and refresh their website once that's finished spinning. And we can go refresh the website, and you will see there is the voice chat. So we can click on that, and it's going to just say, hey, like, now on desktop, it's going to be like, do you want to be able to use the microphone and stuff, which I'm going to say, yeah, I'm going to allow that.
Hello, you have reached Peninsula Stone Landscapes. How can I help you today?
Hey, could you tell me some of the services that you offer, please?
Sure thing. Peninsula Stone is a leading landscape design and build company in Dublin. We offer garden design, custom design.
Now I'm going to end that there, but the key point is it can go ahead, it can answer any questions, it can book appointments, it can steer them to the answers they're looking for quickly and easily. And that is the big deal about this. You can take any dumb website and turn it into a smart website in just a couple of minutes. If you want to know more, drop me a message or visit visibilitysystems.co.uk.